SG907 Travel Picture Taking Unmanned Drone. Accurate GPS positioning system. Newly upgraded with a strong motivation. Configuration of high-precision gyroscope. Optical flow positioning with more accuracy. 4K 120-degree wide-angle adjustable camera. Clearer video with 50-fold zoom. Foldable fuselage and easy to carry. 5G Wi-Fi signal. Stable high-definition picture sending. Real-time capture of every moment. 360-degree around the interest points. Shooting cool blockbusters easily. Flying in accordance with the appointed flight point. No need to bother steering. Intelligent return with low electricity and low signal, making the process of flying more secured. Points for attention. Product display. Display of the list of products. Preparation works before the flight. Turn down the power of the remote controller. The mode on the indicator is 0. Press the switch of the aircraft battery for several successive seconds. The sound of the remote controller. Success code matching. At this moment, the mode 0 on the indicator is going to turn to mode 1. Lay the aircraft on the flight ground. Press the button up the speed for 5 seconds. The sound of the remote controller. Aircraft lights become flickering. Gyroscope calibration completed. Release the button. Press the photo taking button for 5 seconds. The sound of the remote controller. Aircraft lights become flickering. Pick up the aircraft and make it circling clockwise on the horizontal plane 1 meter above the ground. After hearing the sound of the remote controller, stand the aircraft up. Camera down. Turn clockwise. After hearing the sound of the remote controller, completion of the geomagnetic correction. Flight lamp flicker rule can be changed to once in a second. At this point, the aircraft will automatically enter the star search mode. The positioning will be completed when the number of such satellites reaches about 10. The remote control will enter the GPS function after the D sound. The aircraft lamp is always bright. Mode 1 changes to Mode 2. Be able to unlock and take off. At this moment, the aircraft is in GPS mode. It has the function of GPS. Connect Wi-Fi. Scanning the corresponding 2-dimensional code. Download the app. Enter the mobile settings options. Open the wireless network. Search for devices. Link up successfully. After successful connection, exit settings options. Open the app on the phone. Unlock the aircraft. Simultaneously, pull the left and the right sticks of the remote controllers toward outside. It can be unlocked. After the power machine has been turned on, it can fly. Basic operation. 1-click set off. 1-click landing. Upward. Downward. Turn left. Turn right. Forward. Backward. Left-sided flying. Right-sided flying. 2 levels of speed shift. Headless mode. Camera adjustment of the steering engine. Function of photo taking and video recording. Picturing button. Press and picturing. Recording button. Press and recording. Press shortly again. Finish recording. Picturing by using gestures. Right in front of the camera of the aircraft of 2 meters. Take up one hand and show the gesture of yeah. After the aircraft has recognized the gesture successfully, count down to 3 for 3 seconds to take photos. Recording by using gestures. Right in front of the camera of the aircraft of 2 meters. Fixing the hand and taking up a hand. After the aircraft has recognized the gesture successfully, it starts recording. After it recognized the gesture again, finish the recording. Double camera switch. Click the camera to shift the button. Shiftable front camera and downward camera. Variable focal length with 50 times. Adjustable. Single app control. After the remote control and the aircraft have matched, connect the Wi-Fi code of the aircraft with phone. Open the app videos to send. At the point, turn off the remote controller. The app on the phone will link to the aircraft to operating the flight in 5 seconds. Turn on the remote control again. The remote control will connect the aircraft in 5 seconds to control the flight. Flying according to the flight points. Click the image of flying according to the flight points. Zoom in the map. Picture the flight point. Click the sending button. The aircraft will start from the initial point. Fly to the first point. Then fly to each point in sequence. Interest points around. Click the circling flight icon. Click Send the icon. The nose of the aircraft will be centered around the current position of the aircraft. Conducting circumferential flight clockwise or counterclockwise. Surrounding process. Controllable rise, fall, advance, and retreat to adjust. GPS following. Mobile app following. Click on the GPS following icon. The aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Click on the one-click return icon. The aircraft will automatically return to the takeoff point. Click on the MV icon. Enter the MV interface. MV function production. Background music can be added. Filters, lens effects, then one-click sharing. If the aircraft is used indoors or in places with poor signals, please use the Mode 1 optical flow mode directly. After the aircraft and the remote control have been matched, and the gyroscope and the geomagnetism have been corrected, change from Mode 0 to Mode 1 on the remote control indicator. At this time, the aircraft will automatically carry out GPS satellite search and positioning. Automatically start the protection program will fail to take off. Press the video button for 5 seconds. The remote control emits a D sound. Represents closing the GPS function. Unlock and take off. Click on the master tracking icon. When the horizontal distance between the aircraft and the target person is about 2 meters, start the tracking flight. Click on the hand control icon. The aircraft will follow the palm up and down. When the distance between the palm and the camera is about 1 meter, the effect is the best. Click on the tracking flight icon. The aircraft will fly according to the selected position. Battery replacement and charging. When the TX power is only less than 2 grays, it indicates the low power of the remote controller. Decreased transmission signal. batteries need to be replaced and reused. When the RT power is only less than 2 grays, it refers to the low power of the aircraft. At this point, the light of the aircraft changes from long light to bright light. At this point, the aircraft needs to be recalled for battery replacement. Press the battery button. Pull the battery up and out. Connect one end of the USB charger line to battery charging outlet. The other end connects to the 5 volts 1 to 2 ampere adapter USB interface. Battery blue lights flicker from left to right during charging. Battery indicator will always light up after filling. The battery charging time is about 150 minutes. After charging, insert the battery into the fuselage. Wind blade installation of the aircraft. Unscrew. Remove the wind blade. Pay attention to the corresponding A and B blades when replacing. Put the wind blade in. Rotary tightening the screw.